a significant development, NATO leaders have underscored their unwavering support for Ukraine in the face of ongoing tensions in the region. When NATO leaders said that Ukraine will definitely become a member of their group, even though they did not give a specific date for when this will happen. They made this clear in a statement during their meeting in Washington, where they also promised to keep helping Ukraine for a long time, where they stated that we are blessed with the real progress Ukraine has made in its necessary democratic, economic and security reforms since the Vilnius summit. And they stated that the member states in the Washington summit declaration released after the meeting. While the statements from NATO reflects growing international concern over Russia's military buildup and its impact on global stability. Meanwhile, in a recent Washington declaration, the NATO member states expressed deep concern over the growing strategic partnership between Russia and China. They said China is helping Russia a lot, even in military ways, which is making the situation worse in Ukraine, and this alliance thinks China's support is making Russia stronger and causing more problems. As a permanent member of the United Nations Security Council, the declaration told China to stop giving any kind of support to Ukraine's war effort. And the group also acknowledged that the Indo-Pacific region is important to NATO. But however, it did not suggest that NATO should play a big role there. While in this ongoing significant discussion, they stated that we are taking more with them to handle and problems that affect different regions, and we are working together on important projects. And these include helping Ukraine protecting against cyber attacks, fighting false information, and improving technology. Well, as things keep changing, it's important to keep watching how these diplomatic tensions develop and what they mean for global safety. And criticism for China shows how different powerful countries affect world politics today. Stay tuned for more updates and keep watching India.com for international affairs.